Voiceover. Greetings folks, welcome to another thrilling exploration on. Today, we're unpacking the world of ChatGPT, a language model developed by OpenAI. Whether you're just starting out or already a seasoned user, this course promises to enhance your understanding and usage of this fascinating tool. Voiceover. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? It's a language model that generates text that feels almost human. Imagine having a conversation with a computer that understands and responds in a very human-like manner. Intriguing, right? Voiceover. To kick things off, you'll need to create an account on the OpenAI platform. Once done, you can access the ChatGPT interface, designed to make your interaction with the model as smooth as possible. Voiceover. Now, on to the basics. The process is straightforward. You provide a prompt, and ChatGPT responds. The key here is to keep your prompts clear and concise for the most accurate and relevant responses. It's like having a chat with a highly intelligent companion. Voiceover. Did you know you can influence ChatGPT's responses? By adjusting your prompts and giving specific instructions, you can customize the output to suit your requirements. Exciting, right? We'll walk you through some great techniques to make ChatGPT work exactly how you want it to. Voiceover. Like any tool, ChatGPT isn't without limitations. We'll discuss some common challenges users encounter and provide tips on how to navigate these. The goal here is to maximize the potential of this remarkable language model. Voiceover. Feeling adventurous? We're going to delve into some advanced features like temperature and max token settings. These adjustments can alter or streamline ChatGPT's responses, offering you greater control over the output. Voiceover. Now, how can you apply ChatGPT in real-world scenarios? Whether it's for content creation or brainstorming ideas, ChatGPT can be a potent ally. We'll share examples and innovative ways to incorporate it into your projects. Voiceover. And there we have it, a full course on ChatGPT. Today, we have navigated everything from the basics to advanced usage. We hope this guide proves beneficial to you. If there are any queries or if you wish to share your ChatGPT experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Until our next encounter, enjoy your ChatGPT adventures.